welcome back to my channel. My name's Rina and I'm a professional makeup artist. So today I want to share with you how to create this kind of sexy look for maybe for a date, maybe for even a new year. So if you're ready, let me start. And today I want to show you this look made with one of the best things I ever had in my makeup life, and it's You limited edition from Too Faced. So yeah, it even smells like heaven. Well, for this makeup I'm using a lot of colors, and yes, today we started with this beautiful shade from this beautiful palette that smells so awesome. Sorry, I'm just in love again. So we're blending these pigments inside our crease and inside our outside corner. Then I'm using shimmer eyeshadow. It's like soft, a little bit pinky, just a little bit. And I put it to blend everything. And then I'm using just this beautiful black but a bit shimmer black eyeshadow inside my outside eye corner. I also blended a little bit inside my crease, and then I'm using highlighter from the same limited edition. After that, I'm using concealer palette and just using the lightest shade all over my eyelid, because we will put there a lot of glitter. And yes, this beautiful stuff is also one of parts of this beautiful set, and I'm just using my finger to dig in and to put everything on my face. Then I'm using again this beautiful palette with highlighter, and I'm using it inside my eye corner. After that, I'm using e.l.f. makeup cream eyeliner to fill my inside eye area and to draw a little eyeliner because I want it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. If you already tried or you wanna try Too Faced makeup palette, just let me know because I want to know your opinion. So yes, hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, maybe my Instagram, and see you soon. Remember that you're already beautiful.